Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is what's happening between you and your person in the coming months. What will happen? What's currently happening? What will happen in the future, friends? So, this is for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, this reading is for you, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot, and if make sure to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One random subscriber is selected, so subscribe, like, and share. So, friends, if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Make sure to this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime, and also it is a general reading, may or may not resonate. So let's begin. Let's see first how you are feeling, and don't forget to check out April pick a card readings. I have also done that. April horoscope readings. Currently, how are you feeling, Aries? Oh my god, Aries, Leo, Sag, lot of burden. You have a lot of responsibilities, a lot of workload. You are feeling like there is a lot on your plate, but you are still looking forward to the future. You are also coming to an ending in your life. It feels like you have certain burdens, but somehow it feels you are okay with it. I don't know why it feels like you have a lot of issues, a lot of challenges, but you are doing okay. You are like, yes, I am okay with it. You are focused on your future. And how is Aries, Leo, Sag feeling currently? Four of Swords and Seven of Pentacles. So yeah, I definitely feel uh, you are focusing on yourself, you're focusing on your work, your life, your future, and you're taking a sort of break from love or relationships. Or even if you're married, you're not putting in a lot of effort right now. Whatever your situation is, you want to take a little break for yourself. Or if you're single, definitely you're like, I need a break from love, that's the energy. I also feel that, this is you are also waiting for some things to happen, like, some relationship to move forward, or someone to reach out to you, someone to message you. You're waiting for somebody. I think you both are playing a wait and watch approach here. But Aries, Leo, Sag, fire signs, you have a lot on your plate, definitely. You're very busy with work and other things in your life. Let's see what else. I see some of you are focusing more on work and career, trying to focus more on money and waiting for money, probably. Some of you are burdened by monetary issues, so that's why your focus is more on career, on your future, rather than on love or this person. Let's see what else is happening. Okay, Ten of Cups. Yeah, some of you want to get married, some of you are looking for a brighter future, a happier future, and some of you may be pressurized by your family to get married, or you are looking for long-term commitment right now. You don't want anything short-term. You are looking for commitment. You are looking for long-term happiness, family, children, everything. If someone is not giving you that, you are not happy with them. Aries, Leo, Sag. What's currently happening in Aries, Leo, Sag's life? So you could be also trying to see which is the right person for you, because I see there is an energy of waiting, assessing. King of Cups, yeah, there is somebody on your mind, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or someone you feel a lot of emotions for. You definitely, they are on your mind. You also, I feel like you have a lot of emotions for love, for family, but you want somebody dependable to invest in. Otherwise, you don't want that person. Look at that, Six of Wands. Yeah. I do feel, you want your love life to be successful. You don't want it to be stuck. You don't want to depend on anybody who wants to keep you waiting, who ignores you, who puts the blame on you, Aries, Leo, Sag. You want somebody or a relationship that's successful, that works, that ends up into a Ten of Cups, or starts from a Ten of Cups. Family, happiness, commitment, responsibility, equal sharing. I keep hearing the word equal. You want equal give and take. That's what you want. and you're right now focusing on your success. I do see some sort of a promotion or some sort of a victory has happened for you, Aries, Leo, Sag. Some sort of a career victory has happened for you recently, or it will happen in the coming days. It will make you feel very happy. You may even forget that you are burdened with love, or oh, two of cups. Oh, so love is not very far behind. Love is catching up with you, Aries, Leo, Sag. I do see your person want to reach out because they are definitely here and they want to be in a relationship with you. They also want to some of you may be getting a marriage proposal or something with this person, or some sort of a page of pentacles. So yeah, some of you could be getting a marriage proposal or a reunion or an offer to meet with somebody which has a future potential with you. Page of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. It could be a same-sex relationship for some of you. It could also be like this person and you have some age gap. So I do feel someone wants to commit to you, Aries, Leo, Sag. It could be two people. I do see two energies here. It could be someone new and someone from the past, but there is love, there is commitment coming, even though you're focused on work, money, and success. So let's see how your person is feeling right now. Here is Leo, Sag. How is the person feeling? I feel someone wants to build a strong foundation with you, a strong future with you, and they have been a little quiet about it. They might have kept you waiting, they might be ignoring you, but let's see what is happening with them. Theme of the energy of Aries, Leo, Sag person. Ooh, Eight of Pentacles. So yeah, this person is keeping an eye on your social media. I also see this person is also pretending to be very busy just as you are. So you both are playing that game of, oh, I ignore you because you are ignoring me. So, okay, Ace of Pentacles, yes, look at that. If you both are working together, this person is definitely planning to make a move there. And if you study together, definitely this person want to reach out to you. I also feel if finances were an issue in the past between you and this person, definitely some financial breakthroughs are happening for them, which will make them come closer to you. Let's see what else. I see they are planning. They are planning for a big, they are working on a big future with you, on building a future with you. King of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel this person is very, very sure. Mentally, they are very sure of what they want, how they want to do things in their work, love life, and career. So this person is coming to a greater realization. I think they were keeping you waiting earlier. They were not replying to your messages, but now they are very clear of what they want, a new start, a solid start, and they want to work on this relationship. So what's happening with Aries, Leo, Sag person's life? Let's see. Fool, a new start. Yeah, I do see they want to travel towards you if you are in a long distance relationship. They want to talk with you, travel with you. They want to prove they are loyal towards you. I think loyalty is also a question here. You may have questioned, are you loyal? Do you even want something with me? Two of Wands. Yes, this person is maturing up. Slowly, but yes, they are getting more wise, more balanced, and more mature. I feel in the past this was a person who was very egoistic, very selfish. They were focused on their work, on their money, on their coin. But now they are, no, they are missing you. They are absolutely missing you and realizing their mistakes. Look at that. And they want to fix things with you, definitely. This person knows they have done some... They were fool. They were a fool in the past. They realized that. They want to fix it. They are missing you, definitely. Ace of Swords, breakthrough. This person will definitely message you. They will call you or they will meet you. I do feel for some of you it will happen very quickly in the next 1 hour or in the next 1 day or 1 week. For some of you it may take 1 month because this person is like they are waiting for some sort of a breakthrough in finances also. So or maybe in the they want to meet you personally. So the world situation needs to be right for them to travel. So they will message you in 1 hour or 1 day or 1 week. So they're missing you. They definitely are stalking your social media, asking about you, planning something with you, a candlelight dinner. I do see this candle at candlelight dinner. I do see if she's a woman, she might be casting spells to attract you back. Nothing negative or voodoo or something. This is like, just lighting just praying for your happiness, your wealth, your happiness, and also lighting a candle, lighting a candle to bring you, attract you back. Ooh, Aries, Leo, Sag, you have a witch here, huh? Queen of Cups and King of Cups. Look at that. They are missing you. They're definitely missing you. They want your touch. They want your love. They are aching for it. And this person could be crying for you. And if they have chosen someone else, they regret it big time. So they are aching for you. They are aching for your touch, for your love, for, just being with you with this Two of Cups. They want to be with you. They can't be without you. Page of Wands. See, Aries, Leo, Sag, here is your energy. I also feel, I think you have stopped messaging this person. You no longer message them. You no longer ask them how are they doing. Earlier you were very open-hearted with them, but you stopped all messages. So now this person is like, why is this person, Aries, Leo, Sag, not messaging me? Why? Ooh, you are giving them some tough times. So let's see, how is this person feeling? Aries, Leo, Sag person feeling worry. They are worried. They are worried. They are worried that you might be dating someone else. They are worried you might be getting married to someone else. They are worried you will not accept them back. They are worried they are losing their sleep over you. They are aching for your touch, for your love. This person is yearning for you. I am learning that worry does not change an outcome. Ooh. How is Aries, Leo, Sag feeling towards this person? Okay, thank you. That was... Ooh. My God, look at that. That's a strong card. Do you read it? Transformation, death. I'm learning that endings are merely beginnings. So I feel you don't want to see this person's face again, or you are like, you are ready for something new in your life, maybe with this person or with your life in general. I do see for some of you, like if you were married to this person, I do see a restart happening for you. And I also see like you want them to change. You want this person to change a little, because the way they are in the past, you can't accept them that way. So you want this person to be different, to be transformed. The death is like transformation, change. So you want them to be changed, because then only you guys can work together or fit more together. So what else? Let's see. You are like in a powerful energy. Look at that. I think your person knows that you are almost walking out on them. So they are like scared. They want you back. They want this Two of Cups with you. You can expect a phone call definitely in the next few hours, 1 hour, one day, or 1 week, or 1 month, 1 month. Okay. Why? Number 31, yeah, this person will definitely message you and they want to ask you why some things are not working out between us. What's the reason? Why are you leaving me? Why can't you stay? Look at that, boys. They see you as you are, you're very attractive, Aries, Leo, Sag. They see you are doing successfully. You are handling a lot of challenges. You are also, rocking your career. The tribe, yes, soul tribe. You are their soul tribe. I also feel this person may have, you and this person may have common friends, or they are trying to find out whom you are talking with on social media just to know, what you are up to. They do feel you are a soulmate to them. I also feel crows are important. Some of you might be seeing a crow a lot, or they are seeing ravens or crows, round and round. Yeah, you're stuck in something. Number 25, number 8, and 31 is important for some of you. I feel like this relationship is stuck in some sort of a pattern. You both keep going in round and round. So you are like, I'm done with this pattern. I can't deal with it. I'm focusing on other things. This person has realized that yes, you will not accept them back if they are stuck. So they need to make a change. And I think they are trying. They are trying on that. Between worlds, see? This person is on a breakthrough. Definitely, you may not be seeing it right now, but I do see in the coming months, in the coming 2 3 months, there will be a rapid change in this relationship, in this person, and things gonna shift. Things gonna shift. So let us see what this person wanna say to you. Let's see that. Okay, faith in the process. Yeah, I do feel, maybe this person is stuck in anxiety, depression, health issues, or they have a very strong family or some sort of a burden which they are not able to get out of. I do feel it's taking them some time to come out and propose you, or fix things in this connection. Faith in the process. They ask you to keep some faith. They ask you to not give up. It's almost like this person is begging you to stay and not leave them, because and look at the birds. I feel the birds are important. Some of you may also be connected with a kingfisher. The birds are important here. Crows, eagles, kingfishers. Let me know in the comments, friends. Let me know. So this person is like, please have some patience. I'm coming. Just, bear with me. It's taking me time, but oh my goodness gracious. Let's see. So which one? What do you feel? Yeah, they want to know how you feel, because I think you have stopped all connections with this person, and or maybe they are not talking, but somehow they are not able to reach you. They feel like you have moved on. Emotionally, this person is not able to reach to you, and they are like, what do you feel? I want to know what's on your mind. Have you forgotten me? This person is crying for you. Aries, Leo, Sag. This is and not all cards in this deck are black and white, but all these two cards are coming are almost black and white. You can see it's a black and white card almost. This one also, but there are cards in this deck which are quite colorful. What would they want to say to our viewers? Okay, and look at that, heaven sent. Oh my god, and this is pure light. Look at that. Look at these cards and look at this card. Heaven sent. Number 33. Wow, you have number 32, number 33, and number 31 is here from a different deck. 31, 32, 33, and number 9. Heaven sent. So something amazing is gonna happen in this connection in the coming times. This person could be your twin flame. For most of you, I feel this is your twin flame, or an important soulmate which you have a deep soul connection. Something big change, a big transformation is gonna happen in this connection for you and this person. Something will happen which is heaven sent, or destined for you. So stay connected and keep your minds open. Let's see some advice for you for this connection. Adventures. Wow, for some of you, I feel like you have decided to explore some other people in your life, explore some other relationships, and that's okay, perfectly fine. Also, some sort of a new thing is coming, new sense of excitement will happen in this connection. If you keep your eyes open, some heaven-sent blessings will happen. Something will become clear to you. Pleasure. Focus on the happy sides of this relationship. Focus on the happiness. There is a gateway again. So something major is happening which you can't see right now. I know some of you are even frustrated with this connection. It has become a burden. Some of you may have already moved away from this person or moved on. But expect some big changes, maybe energetically or in your physical world also. Leadership. Yeah, I do see that your person will take charge of this situation, and they will make a strong move. I also feel that you also need to be a leader. If some of you are not if you are not waiting for this person, that's okay too, because you are a leader and it is time for you to lead and not wait, because the more you lead, the more this person will follow you. So let's see some love messages for you. Aries, Leo, Sag, what will happen for them in the coming months? Flirt, extend the light-hearted energy to others. So yeah, I do feel it is a time to keep your energies happy, playful, and not to take too much burdens about this person or any relationship. Enjoy life. Life is short, we all know that, and especially last year 2020 taught us that life is short. We must enjoy it. We must not think too bad, too good, worth waiting for. See, I told you, they are coming. They are fixing something in their life, and it will happen with divine timing. Divine timing is at work in your love life. So, yoo-hoo! So that's it for now, and I hope you enjoyed this reading. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.